Morning, ma'am. The last wall shares a strong and powerful message. Say no to drugs, yes to life, and celebrate the positive. It reminds us that we don't need harmful substances to feel happiness. Life is already full of beauty and color. These 24 paintings made by art students clearly bring this idea to life. Using modern art, different colors and figures, these students express different perspectives and emotions, and these views makes our life a lot more meaningful and beautiful. These paintings tells us that a clear mind and positive choices can make life a lot more beautiful on its own. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
And he's a chess champion. About yourself?
Myself, Aditya of Grade XII, and I am an international chess player.
Brilliant. I shall take a photo with you from yes.
Right away, right away. Ma'am, please join. Ruby, ma'am, join, please.
Please, ma'am, look here. Please look here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.